Hello, today I'm going to do a brief introduction about Cisco Meraki. So as you can see here, we have a global view of all my different networks. On the left-hand pane, you see the different components of your network, the Cisco security and SD-WAN, the switching, the wireless systems manager or MDM, the cameras, the sensors, and more insights looking at the health of your different parts of your networks. As you can see, one of those networks are in alerting mode. You can also check here with more data-driven template where we see all the different networks, the offline device, the usage, network type, network health. But also what you can always do is changing the layout of those tables. You can also include network tags and devices. What are the devices? And you can see here we have Catalyst 9200, Catalyst 9300 switches that are also available. What we can always do is hover in this on those map and see the physical location of all your devices. Okay, so you can then of course hover and click on one of those devices, but what you can also do is looking at the topology view. So it will give you an understanding of your layer 2, layer 3 network, and we'll see what is actually online, what is alerting, and what is actually offline. Okay, so you'll see the white dots and the green dots. The green dots you are managing. This is totally dynamic type of topology, and you also have the layer 3 networking layer, like I mentioned here on the top. If it's white, it means two things. Either it's a non-Meraki devices, but it's still passing a network through the cloud, or you have some also Meraki devices, but it's not under your own management. But you still have enough information like the management address, the port VLAN, the MAC address, and so on to help you configure the rest of your network. Another view of it is looking at the client's view. As you know, on the client's view, you have all the clients that are connected or used to be connected to the network and not connected anymore, where you can easily troubleshoot when needed. Okay, you have an understanding. You can filter by VLANs connected to the usage that is being used. And you see all those ones, all those networks, all those clients that are being connected. You can always change the structure of your template, okay? And you can also look at the layer 7, which is present in the security and SD-WAN switching and wireless. And you can see you have all the different applications that are being used, okay? If we going back to the client view, one thing you can see is, for example, you have an issue and Tom Savory called you because he has some networking issue. So you can click on the client or the user, and from there you can see the health of this user. So the latency, the loss, which problem of you have that is spotting straight in your face. For example, the channel quality on the 5 GHz radio for the past 2 hours is not very good. You can see that is connected to the systems manager. You can also create a policy if there is an abuse of 1 or 2 applications that you would like to block. This is also possible. But you also have here more information about the connection, the performance, and you can see here all the connections, the performance, the roaming, and the timeline. So you can also scroll back to the issues he had, for example, on January the 8th on this case. And this concludes very shortly about a first demo of the Meraki dashboard. Thank you very much.